This ingredient sparked a global culinary panic. It changed how millions viewed their food. Today, we unravel a fascinating food mystery. Monosodium glutamate, or MSG, became very controversial. It was once blamed for many strange symptoms. The term Chinese restaurant syndrome emerged in 1968. This phrase fueled widespread public fear. But what does food science truly reveal? Let's explore this enduring food chemistry debate. The controversy began with a single letter. Dr. Robert Ho Man Kwok wrote to Nejim. He described symptoms after eating Chinese food. Numbness, weakness, and heart palpitations were reported. Kwok speculated MSG might be the cause. This anecdotal report quickly gained media traction. Public perception shifted, creating instant distrust. MSG is simply the sodium salt of glutamic acid. Glutamate is a common amino acid. It's found naturally in many everyday foods. Tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms contain it. MSG enhances the umami or savory taste. This fifth basic taste deepens food flavors. Scientists quickly began rigorous investigations. Numerous studies sought to confirm Kwok's claims. The FDA commissioned extensive research on MSG. JECFA, a UN/WHO body, also reviewed evidence. Most double-blind, placebo-controlled studies found no link. Participants rarely reacted to MSG without knowing. Reported symptoms were inconsistent and nonspecific. Large doses caused mild, transient effects in some. The syndrome perpetuated harmful stereotypes. It disproportionately targeted Asian cuisine globally. Customers. Many flavors. Today, major health bodies consider MSG safe. It remains a widely used food additive. The initial fears were largely unfounded speculation. This MSG narrative is a crucial lesson. It highlights how bias can influence perception. Understanding food chemistry prevents misinformation. We can make informed choices about our meals. Science helps us discern fact from fiction. Don't let unfounded fears dictate your diet. MSG's story teaches us skepticism and science. Enjoy your umami-rich foods confidently. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations.